Okay, back in season 5 of America's Got Talent, a young girl stepped onto the stage. She started to sing, and pretty much everybody in the entire country stopped to listen. Take a look.
It was pretty crazy being a 10-year-old and being on America's Got Talent. Singing was always a dream of mine, and being able to be on that stage and sing, it was just awesome.
This is the moment. You're the star.
America's Got Talent has opened a lot of doors for me.
Jackie Benko may just be the next big thing. Yours is the voice I want to hear in my house.
I've already recorded 5 albums. I never would have thought that my voice would take me across the world and back. If I wasn't on America's Got Talent, then I'm pretty sure that none of what's happened to me now would have happened. So thanks, AGT.
Think of me fondly when we said goodbye. Remember me once in a while. Please promise me you'll try. When you find that once again you long to take your heart back and be free. If you ever find a moment, spare a thought to me. We never said our love was evergreen, or doesn't change in us the sea. But if you can still remember, stop and think of me. Think of all the things we've shared and seen. Don't think about the way things might have been. Recall those days, look back on all those times. Think of those things we'll never do. There will never be a day when I won't think of Flowers fade, the fruits of summer fade. They have their seasons, so do we. But please promise me that sometimes you will
Jackie Benko. Let me help you down there. How you doing?
I'm good, good.
So how does it feel to perform on America's Got Talent once again?
Honestly, being back here, I was just overcome with a tidal wave of nerves, and it reminded me of when I was here the first time, and I have to say I missed it, and I'm very happy to be back.
Oh, that's awesome. And of course, you did an amazing job. Jackie's new album, Awakening, will be in store September 23rd, so do what you gotta do to go get that. Okay, There are 4 spots left in next week's finals, and 1 will go to the winner of tonight's Snapple Save. So keep voting, but right now, make that noise one more time for Jackie Evanko. Welcome back to America's Got Talent, the top 12 results. The acts which came in 5th, 6th, and 7th last night are all in danger of being sent home. But you can have the chance to save one of them tonight with the live Snapple Save vote. If you haven't voted yet, why not get to it? These guys need you. And someone who is used to the pressure of America's Got Talent and has gone on to do remarkable, amazing things, one of the biggest young entertainers in the world, started right here on America's Got Talent, the lovely Jackie Evanko. How are you?
I'm great, thank you.
Now, Jackie, do you have any advice for, these acts going into the finals?
I do. I know exactly what it's like to be on the stage, and it is very nerve-wracking. And the thing is that if you're not nervous, then you don't really care. So just remember that nerves are always good. It gives you the extra boost. And just go for it, and always be confident in yourself, no matter what you do.
Wise words. Very well.